Hello, my name is Declan Kelly. I'm a medical doctor by background. I'm the CEO and founder of Eolas Medical. So Eolas is the Irish word for knowledge or information. And what we do is help streamline access to medical knowledge at the point of care. The Eolas platform itself is currently being used by over 400 centres across the world, including world-leading centres like Stanford, Mass General, Boston Children's, as well as over 80% of all acute hospitals in the NHS. We're now very pleased to announce that we are partnering with LandingAI to use Agentic Document Extraction to further enhance the experience of clinicians when they're searching for information. This video gives a quick overview of what the platform actually does and then how Agentic Document Extraction helps enhance that experience for end users. Hospitals will upload all of their internal content to the platform, mostly in the form of clinical guidelines, policies, and standard operating procedures. So here you can see the policies all broken down by medical specialty. A user would click in, they would find the guideline that they need, and then they would search for the answer within that guideline. Now, although these guidelines are rich in medical knowledge, the problem is very evident. It's very difficult to search and find the information rapidly what you need. For example, if I wanted to find how to manage a patient with a pulmonary embolism as an outpatient, I would have to know that this diagram exists. I would then have to scroll the whole way down to try to find this diagram as well. And this represents multiple problems at the point of care. So what we've now launched is Ask Eolas. So it is a agentic document extraction based RAG search engine for clinical knowledge. A user would simply come to the platform and then they would use natural language to ask a question. When should I consider outpatient management of a pulmonary embolism? So what the platform does is it uses vector-based search to find the best number of documents that has the answer to this question, and then it uses generative AI to summarize and give an answer. So standard RAG-based search. However, what we've done before this is indexed all of the content on the platform using agentic document extraction. And this allows us to pinpoint the exact source down to the level of diagrams or boxes or tables for the answer of these questions. And that is extremely important for clinical information at the point of care. So you can see here, it's given an answer and then it's fully given the references of where it's gotten this answer from. And if I scroll down, you can see exactly that it's taken the answers from this diagram. I can then click on this diagram and get an exploded version of it as well. So this gives confidence to the clinicians at the point of care that they're not only getting a summarized answer, so they're getting efficiency, but they're also getting accuracy and trust, knowing exactly where that answer has come from. So we're very excited with what we can do with agentic document extraction, and we're very excited to launch this partnership with LandingAI to improve clinical knowledge access at the point of care.